Frank, I'm trying to work here. I'm trying to measure this stuff out, and I don't know if I need any help. In fact, I'm quite certain it's going to be 48 inches wide. Well, you know, it's a goat stanchion. So, what do you say, 48? Is that okay? That way it's half of it. Well, that's what it's going to be. Frank, I don't need any help cutting this. No, I don't. I really don't. I'm just gonna... Look at that. Perfect. Do you approve? Look at that cut. It's a new tape. It's fine. There's nothing wrong with my measurements. I don't need you micromanaging this. Sir. All right.